Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Sanvi Dikshit. So today we are going to do a very special video. So it's unboxing our doll. So let's get started. So guys, now let me tell what this doll has, all her accessories. So guys, she has this mermaid tail. She can turn into a mermaid. And she also has this necklace, it's blue. And guys, she also has this princess frock and a crown. And she also has this beautiful rainbow dress and this. And she also has these fairy wings, guys. So let's get to the unboxing. So guys, this is the doll. And she has this pretty crown. And guys, also this is her pretty dress. It's a dress. And also she has this pink shoes. And guys, she has this slot on her back. If you can see, it looks like a butterfly. It's for the fairy wings to fit, guys. And she also has this mermaid tail. For it to fit on her, there's a velcro behind. And guys, she has this pretty blue necklace. Guys, I think it looks very pretty. And she also has this rainbow top. She also has this rainbow skirt and this rainbow top. And she also has these fairy wings and also these purple shoes. So guys, I think this is really pretty. But now it's my sister's turn.
So, hey guys and welcome back. So today I will be unboxing with you my Barbie Career Chef doll. So guys, she has a chef hat, some shoes, a black palazzo with some white stripes, a chef coat guys, and a ponytail on the side with a frying pan of course. So let's get unboxing guys. So guys, now we have unboxed it, so let's explain in a little detail. So this is a chef hat, as I told you. It is very lumpy and it is made of plastic. Now she has a frying pan. It's kind of like a grilling pan because it has these grilling patterns on it and it's tied to her hand. Then she has this really silky ponytail. Now guys, she has these black shoes. And then she has these pants and the red chef coat. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video with your friends. Bye guys.